So, welcome to you all in this online revision class. Dear student, as you know, before this class, I had revised chapter number 12, the Turkish invasion in North India, and through your SNAP homework, I have sent some important questions with the link of the very day online video class. I believe that you have written your question answer. You had completed your question answer, and you can show in the last of this class, in the last 5 minutes of this class. If you have any problem in writing question answer, you can ask me. You know, in this revision class, one or two students had asked me to say about the question answer of this chapter. It means they had not completed in that period. It is clear that neither they had listened carefully, or if they had, they would have listened carefully. They failed to subscribe the channel or watch that online class video, for which I always send the link of the same class. So please do not do so. Today I'm giving you this hints of the answer, right? Your answer is there. You can ask any question if you have any confusion regarding the question answer. Now let me to start. You can see your book. First is what? First is many students are ready to enter. Now next is, first is what? The first Muslim invasion in India was led by. Options are here. So first option will be correct. Mahmud of Ghazni. Four options are here. Mahmud of Ghazni, Muhammad bin Qasim, Muhammad Ghori, and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay. So Muhammad of Ghazni is correct. Okay. Next is Mahmud Ghazni attacked India mainly. Four options are given: to establish his empire in India. Second option is to spread Islam in India. And third, to take away the famous artisans from India and to plunder the wealth of India. But main motto was what? To spread Islam. Now, my dear student, one thing I want to clear. Although you see the question number 1, the first Muslim invader, the first Muslim invasion in India was led by, I'm sorry, here one student is marked Muhammad Ghazni. Actually, his name would be correct if this option was not given. If this option would not have been given, Muhammad bin Qasim, right? Yeah, so this option I think is correct, right? Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim is correct. So all of you rectify or correct your answer. Here the answer that is shown is wrong. The correct option will be Muhammad bin Qasim. Okay. Now I had made the PDF very early by the of the student after taking books of a student. I'm sorry, I could not say it, but correct answer is Muhammad bin Qasim. Have you listened through your chat box? You can inform me, you can communicate. Now next is Muhammad of Ghazni attacked India mainly this one to spread Islam. To spread Islam. Okay, you can tell me, is my voice clear? Is my voice clear? Many of you have, some of you have written, not clear. Is it clear? Are you listening? Very good. Thank you. Okay. Now, so again, first question you see, the first Muslim invasion in India was led by Muhammad bin Qasim, right? Muhammad bin Qasim. Okay, it is the correct option. Now next is Mahmud of Ghazni attacked India mainly to spread Islam in India. Is it clear? Third question is what? Third question, who defeated Muhammad Ghori? Muhammad Ghori. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori, right? Who defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarain? Who defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarain? Okay. Four options are given: Jaichand, Prithviraj Chauhan, Kutubuddin Aibak, Awasid Caliph. Correct option is Prithviraj Chauhan. Fourth question is, who among the following were the first to bring Islam into India? They were Turks. Four options are given: Turks, Arabs, Mongols, Persian. So Turks will be correct answer. Right? Next, the trusted slave and general appointed as a deputy of Indian territory by Muhammad Ghori was. Four options are given: Kutubuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Nasruddin Mahmud, and Ghayasuddin Tughlaq. So correct option is Kutubuddin Aibak. Okay. Now next is wars among dash. Wars among dash. Right. Wars among dash resulted in political instability. Right. War among dash resulted in a political disunity. Right. Rajputs. Turks were recruited as guards, Guards, guards by the Caliph. Next, Ghazni. Most destructive attack was on, what will be the correct answer? Somnath in 1225 CE. 1025, 1025 CE. Now next is Mahmud Ghori was defeated by Bhimdev, King Bhimdev in Gujarat. King Bhimdev in Gujarat. And next one is Indian society was caste ridden, or Indian society was based on caste system. It was based on caste system. Okay. Now next is what? Next you see this one. Okay. What is the question now? You said true, false. True, false. Look at your book. It is not clearly visible. So look at your book. First is what? Mahmud Ghazni invaded India 17 times. True. Many Muslims settled in India due to their trade interest. True. Muhammad Ghori was defeated in both the Battle of Tarain. False. Because in first battle he was defeated and second battle he defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. Here it is written in both the battle he was defeated, so it is wrong. Now Muhammad Ghori conquered Kannauj and Banaras. True. Muhammad Ghori had 3 children. False. Right? Muhammad Ghori had age. False. Have you understood? And rest question you have learned. You have made the question answer. Now, as I have already informed you that a test will be conducted. So be ready. I am giving you the link. And do not leave the class, please. Whatever you will get the marks, that is sufficient. Okay? And in the last, I will take your attendance. So please stay in your class, online class. Rest D and E, you know, and if you have any problem, you will ask me on my WhatsApp group, or you see the previous class online class link that is uploaded link of YouTube video. So be ready. Now I am trying to give you